What is everyone? This is MoTurtles, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Chrome extension download interrupter. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you should do is open up Chrome and essentially go into the settings section, which is Chrome://settings/system. In here, the first thing you want to do is make sure this is checked on, which is continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. So this is one of the first things you want to do. The next thing to do is in reset settings, make sure basically you restore settings to their default settings. A lot of times because of something gets changed in Chrome, it can cause issues happening with your extension itself. So this is like the next thing you want to do to ensure you have this in a good to go phase. The next thing to do is open up a folder. In there, go to this PC, then go to local disk C, then Windows, then System32, drivers, and then etc. In here, this specific file that you see here that says hosts, delete that specific file, or make a copy and paste it somewhere on your desktop, but you can delete it and then try to download whatever extension you're trying to download. It's going to essentially reinstall that file over here with the correct criteria and information, and it's going to essentially then work for you and not give you that download interrupted error any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, get that notification bell on that. Tutorials out. Peace.